This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to download Final Cut Pro. So Final Cut Pro, the awesome video editor on your Mac, I've been using it for years, probably over a decade actually. So I'm right here on the download page now. This one's kind of tricky to find sometimes, apple.com/final-cut-pro/trials. This gives you the 90 days free trial. Now, I can't say that this link will always work, but I will include the link in the video description, so you can just click on that and wind up on this page and get the free trial. Now, there's a few other ways that you can get Final Cut Pro. You can search for it through the Apple App Store. So you are literally just going to click on the App Store in your dock right here, and you will just search for, once we open that, Final Cut Pro. And you'll see Final Cut Pro here. So it currently retails at around £300, which is sort of, I guess, like $400. So depending on where you are, if you're in the US, obviously you have US prices right here, and you'll just click that blue button. But yeah, if you want a trial, currently they have a trial going at least right here in the UK for me. So like I say, this URL will be in the video description. You will just click on this download now button, and just like that, you can see the universal symbol that it is downloaded. On the Mac, you see the icon go flying up there in the far right corner. So that will save depending on your browser. I have Google Chrome right here on my Mac, so those files and folders get saved directly to the downloads folder. Depending on your browser, you will find the installer in the downloads location that your browser has indicated and saves to. So hopefully you found this video on how to find and download Final Cut Pro on your Mac useful. They have the 90-day free trial right now. Use my link. I'm not an affiliate. There's no affiliate offer. Just use that link. Hopefully it still exists when you watch this video. If it doesn't, you can search for it on Google or find it on the Apple App Store like I showed you. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like